Cryptocurrency in 2025. What do you need to get rich? Welcome everyone, my name is Pedro, and as you know, I'm an expert in the online school Manifest, where we help people start making money with cryptocurrencies. And today we are going to see what we can expect from crypto in 2025. Now, don't forget to watch the video until the end because you're gonna get all the information until the very end. Give it a like if you like it, and don't forget also to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of our contents, because we're gonna give you all the best information. Now, crypto had an amazing year in 2024. Some main coins like Bitcoin went up over 110%. Solana also went up over 129%, and Ripple went up over 140% in just the last months, which is absolutely insane. Now, obviously with all of that, the question that comes is what is going to happen in 2025? Well, 2025 is looking even better. We have now a pro-crypto presidency in the United States, a government that clearly supports crypto, a president that has its own crypto project. So in terms of regulation, it's looking much better. Not only that, but we have a cut on interest rates. This means that now it's much easier to borrow. In simple words, the government is printing money again. The money printer has started. Last time that happened was 2020, and we saw how crypto went, well, in the case of Bitcoin, from $8,000 to almost $69,000. We had the halving in Bitcoin this year, also telling us that this next year should be amazing, and we have the big investors coming in. We have big funds inflows on Bitcoin. The famous ETFs, these things that allow the biggest guys in the world to start investing in crypto, are coming in. We have seen billions of dollars, literally billions, coming into Bitcoin, coming into Ethereum, and we can see more to come. So how can you make it on 2025? Pay attention now, because I'm gonna show you how is the situation now and how it should be looking by 2025. Now, if we talk about different crypto, we can see, for example, Bitcoin, which is the number one, the leader. And we can see that Bitcoin had an amazing year in 2024. We saw how the price went literally from the beginning already to $70,000. Then we had a small correction. This is the period where the price goes down after, well, some time going up, which is completely normal. And after that broke, after this flag broke, we saw how the price literally jumped over, I think it was 50%. Yeah, around 50%, okay? We actually had a position in this and we were able to profit from it. So it was an amazing movement. Now, obviously, we are next to the level of $100,000, which is a very strong level. So Bitcoin has bounced a little bit back. It had a small correction, and I think it will probably range in this level for a little bit. Now, when Bitcoin ranges, when it starts going sideways, is when other crypto start blowing up. And we have seen, for example, how XRP, a coin that didn't pump or didn't grow a lot since the last bull run, since 2021, look at this. It went from 0.50 cents to 1.5, which is absolutely crazy, multiplying its price by 3 in just, what, 20 days? I mean, it's absolutely crazy. And what can we expect now? Well, in my opinion, we can expect other altcoins to start pumping too. We see Sui, for example, another altcoin that had a very nice launch before, already pumping. What can we expect from other altcoins like this one? Like, for example, Aptos. Well, in Aptos, we can expect the same. There's high chances that we will have another pump like we had before, because now that Bitcoin dominance goes down, this means that Bitcoin already went up, other cryptos will start going up. The most clear one, and it always works the same way, is almost, well, a guaranteed plan. Obviously, there's no guarantees in crypto, is Ethereum. We can see how Ethereum last time went up in the last bull run after Bitcoin went up. And now we are seeing how it's going up right now, okay? It is literally finally growing again. And that means that all the coins of the Ethereum ecosystem, Aave, decentralized coins, all of them are going to start pumping after Ethereum start pumping. That's how it goes. First is Bitcoin, then is the biggest altcoins, and then it starts going from there. So guys, if you want to start learning how to make money in 2025 with cryptocurrencies, come to our Instagram account. You'll have the link on the description, and send us the word beginner in the direct messages, and you will receive a guide how you can buy your first cryptocurrency for completely free. Don't forget to do it. Go to the Instagram, get it so you can get started and start making money on crypto with us today. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us in all our social networks. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!